Hi, good morning. Welcome back to Mike Makes It. You may have seen an earlier video of the Rode Wireless Go microphone setup. Basically, it's a wireless microphone, transmitter receiver. I bought that really to get away from being tethered to the camera with a 2 or 3 meter microphone cable like this. And I'm loving it. Really good setup. And I found on the tripod I use, I have a Woohot mobile phone clamp, because that's what I use. I use mobile phones, Apple iPhone, to record the video footage. It works very well. In the Rode video, I showed you with a Woohot adapter or mount, you've got a little, I call it an adapter, cut into the machine as a cold shoe adapter, cold shoe mount, that the Rode microphone will slip into. Then you put your camera in the front here and jobs are good, and the microphone receiver doesn't go anywhere. You're all nice and safe. Now the problem I discovered, if you want to call it that, this is an additional camera I use in a real cheapo handheld tripod setup. Now it's worked, don't get me wrong, it's worked okay. The only problem this has got, or in fact that's the problem, it hasn't got the adapter on the top for the microphone. So basically, if I'm using this setup, I think you're ahead of me on this. If I'm going around handheld, as I do sometimes, well, what happens to this? It's nowhere to clamp. So I've Mike's done a little upgrade here. And I bought one of these. We can nearly get it on shot. A Manfrotto, Italian make. The company was founded in about 1974. Very good bits of kit. Now I've got a copy of a system they also sell, which I've done another video on. Now this isn't a Manfrotto. This is the name escapes me. I'll leave a link in the description for you. But this is very good. There's only about a tenner off Amazon. Another adapter for a camera, a clamp. But anyway, that's not what the video is about today. The video is about this. And the reason I bought this, I can attach my Woohot mount to it. Yes, I could have attached it to here. But I don't really trust these assemblies here. These are all a bit Mickey Mouse, very tacky plastic. Fine in the past, but now I've got like £100 plus microphone system sitting on the top and the iPhone. This is being retired, so we're moving into this. So what I'll do, I'll get this out the box and give you a little bit of a close-up. I haven't used it yet, clearly, because it's still in the blister packaging. But we'll open it up and just see how everything mounts up and see what I think of it. There you go. That's it out of the box. Very nice feel, very smooth, made of aluminium. There's a few little bits of rubber, but largely aluminium. You've got a rotating ball head on the top, which is released by pushing the button on the side here. It's quite a stiff button to press, but then you can rotate the ball around wherever you need it to be and let go, and it locks up straight away. It does feel as if it's got like a death grip on the ball, which is handy because you don't want the camera or your light or microphone system that sits on the top of this to be wandering around. Manfrotto say this is good for 1 kilogram of weight on the top. So put that in perspective, that's a bag of sugar sitting on here. So it's not going to go anywhere. It feels very stable. Got little rubber mounts on the tips of the legs there, which you hopefully can see there. So it gives a nice feel when you put it down on the deck. Now that's the rig or the setup I've got on a Woohot mount. The receiver sitting in the top on the cold shoe adapter, like I said. And all I've got to do now is simply screw the base in here, which I'll have a job doing. There we go. Screw that in. You can lock it up with a locking nut there if you wish, but that's the setup. Push the button in, move it around. This is what I really wanted, was a handheld device, if you like, replacing the plastic unit I showed you at the beginning of the video. So really I got metal all the way running through there, so I'm not going to risk the base snapping off if I move this system around a little bit too quick. You know, it's £160 mic, £1,000 camera I think it was, or phone when I bought it originally. So I don't want that snapping off there and dropping on the ground. That really is going to spoil the day for me. But that's the system. Manfrotto offer a 5-year warranty if you register it with them. Amazon will ship you a Manfrotto base, sorry, for $19.99. I think there's only one colour on Amazon, and that's black, but that is a colour I would have chosen. If you go to the Manfrotto site directly, they'll quite happily charge the best part of £30 in shipping, but you do get colour choice. You can have, I think it's red, white and blue, red, white and black, sorry, but black would be my choice. It ties in with all the other bits and bobs I got here, even the iPhone's black. All right, that's the Manfrotto. It's a Manfrotto Pixi tripod, mini tripod. They do another tripod. It looks very similar, but they'll charge you some more money for it. But this is, if you like, their budget range. I think you can see. Try not to knock the camera. Hopefully that's coming into focus. That's the MTPIXI-B, B possibly being black. But yeah, I haven't used it yet, but I think I'm going to get on well with that. It does feel nice, quality bit of kit. There you go, Manfrotto. Thanks for watching.